Today we're going to bring a cocktail smoker. Now, if you ever had a drink and it tastes pretty flat, maybe this will change your actual taste buds. Now, when you get this, there's some instructions on how to use it, because out of the box, you still need to understand that you not only the smoker will make you a big hit, but the actual drink mixture will actually introduce to you new flavors. Now, we're going to take a look at the kit itself. So if you see this is for the ice. All right. So here's some tongues for the ice. So you could grab your ice. Very simple. They give you included in here. I'll leave it back in there. The actual wooden panel system that actually puts in the smoke to the drinks. Right. So this is the top. So you can actually continue to push the smoke to the bottom, of course. And of course, you cannot do this without the mesh. And they give you two of them. All right. And this actually resides in the bottom. This goes in the bottom. All the smoke comes out. It's very simple. Now they give you a couple flavors. They give you apple, cherry, peach, and hickleberry. And of course, they give you the beautiful torch that they give you. Now, out of the box, there is no fumes. You're going to have to provide your own fuel to this, all right? Once you set up the fume like I did, it's easy. So you could turn up the flame higher here if you want. It's an option. And then you can lock the actual system in here. So if you're cooking or you're smoking something, you could still lock it in. All right, for the purpose of the video, I got a smaller glass, but it fits perfect so you can actually see more of the effect of what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and pour some whiskey in here and mix some apple or maybe some cherry and give it some that juice, that taste. All right, let's go ahead and do that smoke taste. All right, grab some of your favorite. So we're gonna put a little bit of cherry on it. All right, just a little bit. And so what you want to do is you want to burn it out. All right, smoke some more. Put the top on right now in a bit. Let it flame out a little bit. And then we're gonna put the top. Look at all the smoke inducing. And we're ready to drink. So that's how simple it is. I hope you guys enjoy the video.